get all warm inside when I see you walk my way. That sexy swag. I don't care if you got a man, cause I would gladly step up and take you off his hands. I just keep my cool, don't wanna make a move too soon, cause I'm feeling you. I act like no big deal, cause I feel your presence in the room, smell your sweet perfume. I glance and wave my hand and the brothers don't understand. They know that I'm the man. When the time is right, I'll put you when I talk to you, see what you wanna do. Until that moment comes, I'm just gonna sit and think about me and you. I want that. I want you. I want that. I want all of you. I want that. All of you. I want that. All of you. I want all of you. I want that. I want all of you. I want that. I want all of you. I want that. It feels like a schoolboy crush, but I'm taking my time, cause I'm not in a rush. You on my mind in the day and night, I'm always thinking of you and how I hold you tight. I visualize us in the park, walking hand in hand, all alone in the dark. I even see you on my arm, smiling, flirting with me while I'm showing you off. Or sitting at a dinner affair, conversating with you with that stylish flair. Imagine us even out at the club, stepping all night in the name of love. Or even moving real slow to a groove, acting like we're at home, all alone in the room. In my mind, this has to come true, baby, in my heart, you know I have to have you.